Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Qiyamah, resurrection. There is a life hereafter. After death, an individual gets a reward or punishment of the deeds performed before death. For this purpose, on a certain day, called the Day of Judgment, all the dead will be resurrected from their graves and awarded heaven or hell, depending on the merits of their actions in this world. The Quran says, "Beware when the event Qiyamah will occur. No soul would then falsify its occurrence. It will be luring the faithless, exalting the faithful. When the earth is shaken to its depths and the mountains are completely crumbled, becoming scattered dust." The day of Qiyamah will be of 50,000 years duration, as has been written in the Holy Quran. The sun on that day will come down very low, and the earth will be red hot like heated copper.